Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. This is Father Roy. Um, Hope all of you are keeping in good health. Get away from COVID, use mask, and keep social distancing. Wash your hands, use sanitizers. So keep sound and healthy. Then we can learn better. Okay. With this short note, we will begin our the last section of the present chapter. What we are dealing with, it is all about R.K. Narayan's before the match. Okay, so we have learned very many things in the previous two classes. It's all about Rajam, Mani, and Swaminathan and his drill practice, and his his friends' desire that Swami should join their squad very fast. So the trick played by Swaminathan to get away from the drill classes, all those things we saw. He said that he had a high fever. All those things were lies. We know that. So now he is going to play another trick with a doctor. So he wants to get something from that doctor. So he, with his new plan and project, he is just in front of Sri Krishna dispensary. So now we will go to page number 20. Just below the that picture. With a drill master and Swaminathan with the coat and cap. So just below that we will have a paragraph beginning like this. He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board Dr. T. Keshavan. The name of the doctor is T. Keshavan. L.M. and Sri Krishna Dispensary. So that is the name of the dispensary. It was there was a board hung in which it was written the name of the doctor as well as the name of the dispensary. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free, and he entered the shop. So Swaminathan saw that the doctor was alone there, and the door was opened. So Swaminathan straight away got into the room. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? So the doctor already know who is Swaminathan and his whereabouts. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? So doctor is asking. As soon as doctor saw Swaminathan, he called Swami's name. Swaminathan, what is the matter? Why have you come here? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. I need to have, or I would like to get a doctor's certificate immediately. I should get immediately. You will tell to your parents, I have to get this immediately. I need a book immediately. I need to pay the fees immediately. I need to buy something immediately. We need something immediately. So he's saying, I need a doctor's certificate immediately. What is the matter with you? Why you need a doctor's certificate? If you have a doctor's certificate, if you produce it to your school, you may get exemption. I will tell you the truth. So he is going to tell the truth. There is a saying that you should not tell lie to a doctor or to an advocate. So both these people can save you only if you tell the truth. So in the same way, Swaminathan is telling the truth now, doctor. I have to play a match next week against the YMU, or Young Men's Union. So the name of the cricket club of Swaminathan is called MCC, Malgudi Cricket Club. This one is YMU, Young Men's Union. So MCC versus YMU. And I must have some practice. So I need to go for a practice. I'm not able to go for practice now. What is the matter? Why he cannot go for practice? Because and yet every evening there is a drill class. So there will be drill class in the evening. Scouting, sometimes there will be scouts and guides practice. Then some dirty period or other. He doesn't like some periods at the end. You also may not like the last period of the day, because you want to somehow escape the school and run to your home and to have some play with your kitten or your puppy or whatever be, or with your grandma. You want to tell all the stories. So you may not like the last period. Now, if you could give me a certificate, asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help me. It will help the MCC to win the match. So, how your certificate will help the MCC to win the match? So, he is putting the words in such a way that if you issue the certificate, MCC will win. How the MCC will win? Malgudi Cricket Club will win. How? Thus, I can go for practice, then I will play in the match. Then if I play the match, definitely MCC will win. He is pretty confident about that. So, he is saying, he is telling the doctor, give me the certificate so that we will win the match. He is not saying that I have to go for practice and all those things. So, he is, in a way, he is trying to brainwash our doctor. Okay, he is an intelligent boy. He is an intelligent boy. Well, I could do that. But is there anything wrong with you? So the doctor is saying, okay, I can issue the certificate. Definitely, if you have some sickness, I should definitely issue you a doctor's certificate. So, but what is the matter with you? What is the problem with you? Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. So he has absolutely no problem, because yesterday he told to his drill master that he has got delirious. He used to, due to high fever, he becomes delirious, saying something out of your mind. That is called delirious. When the fever is so high, you become delirious. So he is saying, certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. He's saying he doesn't know what is delirium and what is delirious and all. He doesn't know exactly. He's saying that I feel of late, in the late night, I have that I have delirium. He's saying I have delirium. Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? The doctor is saying, asking him, what do you mean by delirium? Maybe the doctor also hearing for the first time, he has got delirium. What kind of sickness is delirium? Or then, I can't say exactly, doctor. I don't know. He must have heard it from somewhere. I don't know exactly. But isn't it some kind of stomachache? Okay. So actually delirious means it is something related to your head, and you lose your mind and you begin to feel very much tired and all those things. So he is saying that it is some kind of stomachache. He doesn't know about his sickness. That is the problem now, because he is saying some lies, isn't it? The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. So, by hearing this particular joke, he began to laugh loudly, and he began to cough. And he thought that his cough will block his breath. It will choke him to death. So he was laughing such a way that he could not control himself. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye. So he looked under the eye like that. To see how Swaminathan is and how he is standing. He looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue. So he told him to put his tongue out, tapped his chest. So just touched his, tapped his. Doctors do all these things, isn't it? And declared him to be in the pink of health. He is absolutely okay. Pink of health means he is absolutely okay, no problem at all. And told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. So, doctor told, if you want to get away from delirium, you should stick on to drill practices. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evenings free. So again Swaminathan told, persuaded doctor, no, I cannot go for drill practice. You should allow me to go for this practice session. Otherwise, our team will fail. Somehow you give me the doctor's certificate. Again he's saying, but the doctor said, it is all very well. Everything is okay. Absolutely. You have no problem at all. But I should be prosecuted if I give you any such a certificate. So, okay, I can give to you, but the thing is that I will be prosecuted, I will be taken to jail, or I will be taken to the court, or somebody can, if I issue a certificate, and if you don't have that particular problem, the agency or the school or the management can file a case against me and I will be prosecuted. Who is going to find it out, doctor? So our poor Swaminathan little boy is advising doctor now. He's advising. Who is going to find it out? It is a matter between both of us. Do you want MCC to lose the match? What do you mean by saying that? You want our team to lose the match? I wish you all success, don't worry. So I will wish all the success to your team, don't worry. I can't give you the certificate. I cannot give you the certificate, my dear. It is not possible. But our Keshwan is saying, or doctor is saying, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. So I will do one thing. I'm a doctor and I can talk to your headmaster and I will explain this matter, and by the reason of that, your headmaster will relieve you at 4:30. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. Oh, that's enough, doctor. It's very nice. You are very kind. You are so nice. You are so understanding. So that way, our Swami becomes very happy, and thus our lesson ends here. So what must be the rest of the story? You can imagine. Sometimes the doctor must have talked with the headmaster, and the headmaster may have allowed him to let go at 4:30, and their team must have won, fail, or you can imagine. That is up to you. Now, up to us, something is there. You have to write the copy and send to me on whenever there is English class. Just before 9 o'clock you should send me the copy. Okay, now I will send you the link where you can find the question answers of this particular chapter, and you can write the question answers in your notebook neatly. First you write the title of the lesson, then write the glossary, write the title as well as the name of the author, then write the glossary followed by question answers. Okay, have a nice day. God bless you.